So karon pa dayon ta sa atong discussion about sa factoring. So nanata sa ikasyam nga pamaagi unsaon pag-factor ang atong given algebraic expressions. Now the ninth or ikasyam na pamaagi gitawag siya og sum of cubes. So kanang sum of cubes inanin siyang forma. A cube plus B cube equal to mo ni iyang factors. So quantity A plus B times the quantity A squared minus AB plus B squared. So kung pansin ninyo, tanawa, ang given na to, ang base na to, A, yung unang term na to, niya, ang exponent niya 3. Niya, plus ang second term na to, ang base is B. Ang exponent niya is 3. So look at the factors. Ang first factor is just the sum of the base A and B. Okay? And then look at the second factor. And the second factor is just the square of the first term. Okay? Square of the first term. Then minus the product of the first and second term. Then plus the square of the second term of the first factor. So, mara na siya, ato na siyang timan-an, ato na siyang hinumduman para maka-factor ta sa atong given sum of cubes. Okay, so mag-show ko sa inyo karon og duha ka examples and then we'll continue with the next examples in the next video. Okay, so I will use this example below. So this is our first example. We're given x cubed plus 8. So ang unang buhato na to, ato na siyang i-convert into an expression that will look like this. A cubed plus B cubed. So kanang 8. So kining 8, ato na siyang ma-rewrite as this is the same as x cubed plus 2 cubed, right? Because 2 cubed meaning 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 8. So 8 is the same as 2 cubed. So now let's find out what is our A. So from this expression, ang atong A is equal to x, and ang atong B is equal to 2. Then after that, just use the formula for the factor. So the factors are the following. So ang first terms atong first factor is A, which is x, then plus this is the second term, which is B, equal to 2. Okay, so once makuha na nimo ng first term o second term, sayo na kayo ang pagkuha sa second factor. The second factor is square of the first term. Okay, so atong first term is x, so square that one. Then kung plus ni siya, this is minus. Then product, what is the product of the first term and the second term? That is equal to 2x. Then plus the third term is just the square of the second term, which is itong 2. So that is square of 2 is equal to 4. So these are the factors. So muna siya itong answer. Okay, that's the first example. Ang second example na to is this one. If you're given x cubed plus 125. So what is 125 equal to? So 125 is equivalent to 5 times 5 times 5. And you can write that as in terms of exponent. So something like this. So therefore, kana atong given, ato na siya ma-rewrite as x cubed plus 5 cubed. Okay, so mao gihapon atong pangitaon unsa atong A. So in this case ang atong A is equal to x, unya atong B equal to 5. So using the concept, ang atong first factor is just the sum of A and B. First term and second term. Base of the first term and second term, which is x, our first term, and 5 ang atong second term. Then the next factor, ang first term of the next factor is just the square of the first term, which is x. You square that one, x. Then the second term is minus. If this is plus, this is minus. And then the second term is just the product of the first and the second term. So x times 5 equal to x5 or 5x. Then the third term is just the square of the second term sa atong first factor. So 5 squared is equal to 25. Okay? So these are the factors. So inanara kasayo ng atong factoring using the concept of e cubed equal to quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay? So, mao na siya. Salamat and see you in the next video.